Good morning, Beverly Hills. I'm Ella White, your STA historian.
And I'm Ellie Brown, your STA safety rep, and this is the news for Wednesday, January 22nd, 2020. Grab your favorite book and stand in your favorite section of the library and take a selfie.
You heard right. Today is National Shelfie Day, and it started in New York Public Library as a way for folks to share pictures of their favorite book finds on social media.
As you visit Miss Art in the library time this week and next week, she will have a place you can take a selfie so she can post it in the hall for folks to see.
Today's word of the day is inspire. You inspire someone when you fill them with the urge or ability to do something, especially something creative.
We hope that you are inspired by what you learn at school to do something great.
Today, in 1952, the first commercial jet plane, the BOAC's Comet, is put into service.
This was the first time a large group of civilizations would travel on plane to a destination.
It was a momentous occasion. Today, millions of people fly every day. This is Ella White.
And Ellie Brown. Remember, be respectful.
Be responsible.
Be ready to learn.
It's the Husky way every day. Have a great day.